landmarks. Which is your favorite place to visit? What can you see there? All around the world there are famous landmarks. There's the Statue of Liberty in New York, the Sydney Opera House in Australia, the Parthenon in Athens, and much more. Here are 3 landmarks that are very special places. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris, France. It is over 100 years old and it is 324 meters tall. There are the names of 72 famous Frenchmen in the metal of the tower. They are on the side of the tower, just under the first balcony. The Eiffel Tower has got 3 levels for visitors. There are restaurants on the first and second levels. From the top level of the tower, you can see the whole of Paris below. ТРЕХ is an observation tower in Astana, the capital city of Kazakhstan. This unique building is 105 meters tall. The observation deck has got 2 levels. They are in this giant ball at the top of the building. On the top level, there is a handprint of Nursultan Nazarbayev, the first president of the Republic of Kazakhstan. ТРЕХ is a popular tourist attraction and a symbol of Astana. Buckingham Palace is in London, England. It is the home of the Queen of England. It is huge. It is 108 meters long and 24 meters high. There are 775 rooms in Buckingham Palace. The garden at Buckingham Palace is also really big. This is one of the Queen's famous garden parties. There is a lake in the garden and lots of trees. Which of these is your favorite landmark? What famous places can people visit in your country?